How to karaoke on Spotify. So if you want to have karaoke on Spotify, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Spotify application. Once you open up your Spotify, now you just need to simply go with song. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen the song, now you need to swipe down and you will get the lyrics. But unfortunately, this song doesn't have any lyrics, so I'll be choosing another one. So here, if you swipe down, you will have lyrics. So you just need to simply tap on show lyrics. Once you tap on it, now here on the bottom, you will have a little microphone option. So let me tell you one thing, that this karaoke option is not available in all the regions. But if it is available in your region, then you can simply go with the bottom of your screen and then you will have the microphone option. So if you tap on that microphone, then you'll be able to have the karaoke version turned on your Spotify and you'll be able to enjoy karaoke. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.